What's up, guys? This is Nick, and I'm here in St. Louis with this little blizzard thing we got going on here. It don't look like much, but there is a lot here. We're supposed to get up to, I think it was 6 to 10 inches. I'm sure we hit that. I don't know if you guys, I don't think I've made a video on my back. Well, yeah, I have. So you'd have to find which one it was. But look at my grill. Okay, that's how much is on top of it. Look at my roof. That's all snow that's been built up. And over here, it kind of looks like the desert up in here. Just to let you know, snow never gets up here. Never. Because we're under this pavilion thing. So this is how much the wind's blowing it up here. I didn't get the worst part, because like I said, we were sleeping through it. I mean, this is pretty much the tail end of it. But right now it's like, I think it's like 9 degrees, and the wind chill is like -10 or something. It's really cold out here. Merc. So, I didn't think it, like, just looking outside, it didn't look that bad. From the angle I was looking at the side of the truck, I was looking at the tires. And I was like, oh, that don't look that bad, but look at that. I mean, if I lay this down near the ground, it's intense. So, brought a little blue ink pen. Just so I'm sure you guys know what size the blue ink pen is, because I thought it wasn't going to be that deep. Now, if I come over here, and this ain't even the deepest part, if I come right here and stick this in, it goes in easily, all the way down. With that much of my finger sticking out. So, that's how deep that is. And it is freezing. Ooh, with that wind chill living, it is freezing. People out there shoveling their snow. I don't know why it's still snowing. I mean, you guys are stupid. Pointless. Normally we have a fire pit right there. That's covered. Like if I put my foot in here, which I really don't want to do, I'll do it for you guys though. Okay? There's a step right here. You can probably see it right here. But, okay. 16, baby. Size shoe. Actually, it's a boot. Okay? And I'm 6'3", so I'm gonna go ahead and step in this. Look at that. See how deep that is? Crazy. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you guys the blizzard. Well, I mean, it's not really too much of a blizzard now, but I guess they considered it one, so I guess I could call it one. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and step in this one just to see. That one's about the same. Nope, a little deeper. That's from all that drifting, so. Thanks for watching.